just drew my bunny Lala's body. Now watch me draw my bunny Lala's parts by part and then label the parts. I'm going to draw Lala's eyes. I'm going to use my writing tool and I'm going to draw her eyes. Lala had 2 eyes. Oops, looks like she has glasses. I'm going to redraw. I just erased them. There's her 2 eyes. She also has beautiful long eyelashes. I also saw Lala having some eyebrows and a heart-shaped nose. That's the color pink. So I'm going to fill in with my writing tool the color pink. Now I'm going to draw Lala's mouth. Lala also had the color pink on the inside of her ears. So I'm going to take my highlighter and highlight her ears pink on both sides of her ears. The best I can do. Lala has a white belly or tummy, and she's got the color white on the bottom of her feet. I also remember Lala being the color brown, so I'm just going to fill in the color brown on her body. I got to make sure I don't color her tummy or belly brown because I remember it being white. The best I can inside the lines. It would be easier to draw part by part and label on a piece of paper. Okay, now it's time to label and add and write letters next to Lala's parts. I'm going to use my writing tool and choose black to write, I know, brown. Oops, I forgot to color Lala's ears brown. And her face brown. Ooh, the best I can do. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, now I can label and add letters. Brown, brown. That sounds like the letter B. So I'm going to start from the skyline, go down to the grass line, fly back down to the grass line, write the letter B. Lala has a belly. It's right here. I'm going to label her belly or tummy. I can choose either or. I like tummy better. Tummy better. Tummy sounds like the letter T. I'm going to label Lala's feet with the letter F because feet begins with F. Nose. I can label her nose. Nose. Sounds like an N, so I'm going to write an N. I'll do one more label because I think I have enough letters. Mouth. I know. Mouth begins with the letter M. M for mouth. There, you just saw me draw and write to show and tell my bunny Lala.